is fast, bruh. Oh, Lord. That is fast, boy. It's way faster. It's way faster than it was, boys. Man. Picked up Arya. Man. MR12 tune, boy, this ain't nothing to mess with, bro. it runs so good, dude. I can't even imagine. I can't even explain the power, but it blew the rear tire off this joker easily in first gear. And I didn't pin the throttle. I was just giving it a little moderate throttle to see if she wanted to wheelie strap. And yeah, bro, she blew the tire off that mug real quick. But it's the power and the potential in this bike is very high. They did an excellent job with the tune on this. It is, boy, I'm trying to tell you, it is nice. Unfortunately, you guys can see the fuel light is on, and I've been riding it a little bit like this, so y'all pray for me I make it up this street about another quarter mile up the road. And but yes, it was amazing, dude. It's amazing. I didn't get a chance to really go and do some highway stuff to really open her up to see how she feels super high up top, but it's quick. Is the bike rideable on stock wheelbase? Yes. Would it be faster on with a swing arm? Of course. But yeah, she's nice. But it's just gonna be the last time it's on MR for a little bit, because I won't be home to ride anyway for a minute. But it's awesome to have the tune and stuff, you know, taken care of and good to go. But Woolich did a good job with the software, don't get me wrong. Something we've been waiting on forever, get a custom tune, all that good stuff. But there's some issues. Right now it only lets you tune a map on rain, and then it's sport/road, which is weird. You know, sport and road are two different rider settings stock, so I'm wondering why they couldn't just be separate on here. But and everything you map to sport and road can go to all of your custom rider modes, so that way you can mess with KTRC and all that kind of stuff. The wheelie control map, if you zero everything out to take, you know, because there's a 1 through 5 value for KTRC, if you put 0 it should be off. Well, it doesn't do anything when you try to write to that. The ECU is saying to take it off, so you're stuck with in rain mode, which, you know, normally rain mode is KTRC on max. Like, you're gonna have the most interference possible with KTRC on. So that's the problem. We did a map in KTRC on. We did a map with rain mode because you only have rain and sport and road together, so you can only make 2 maps. So we did the MR12 map with rain mode. So no matter what he did, zeroing out the wheelie control maps and everything, it didn't do anything. So we were stuck with having to deal with that. So what we did as a band-aid for now is we put the MR12 map on sport and road, but it's still gonna be nasty, so I'm not worried about it. It's a temporary solution, so I can ride this weekend. Whenever I get back, hopefully by then Woolich would have gotten this issue taken care of. It's all good. He doing what he got to do. We're doing what we got to do, so that way I can have some fun this weekend and try to ride out to Austin and meet up with some people. But it's nasty. It was fun. I ain't gonna lie, it's the most fun I had in a minute. Boy, I'm trying to tell you, it's nice. So first time ever riding a bike with MR12. Whew, I don't even know, and it's cooler temps now than what we had in the dining room, so I can only imagine. I can only imagine. And I gotta learn how to ride this bike more. Like, you know, obviously I'm getting used to it, and it's just gonna take time for sure. But boy, it's ready. Alright. So I'm still, thought I was 100% on the arm thing, but we'll see. I think I am. It's just a hard decision because I really know this bike has a ton of potential for the corners and all that kind of stuff. So to be limiting it to just roll kind of hurts my heart, but I get it at the same time. So Going towards. You going to right?
I'll ride that way with you.
Okay.
Let me get gas.
Yeah, no problem. Guess we're gonna try to get some runs in on the way home. We'll see what happens. The test around on 93. You feel everything with these scraps on it. Everything. That bike is fast. Man, that boy bike is quick. Hey, them BMWs ain't nothing to mess with, y'all. Summary, guys. That was an HP4. I really don't know the power on that bike. I'd have to ask him. But those of you that know him, it's a good dude, Bow Mobzilla. And if those of you haven't had a chance to meet him, real cool guy. I'm definitely gonna get a Gapplebee's keychain on here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, he's a cool dude, man. The first gear pulls, and it doesn't really with the strap with this, with the MR12. Boy, yeah, with MR12, this thing was definitely trying to come up hard. So, you know, and I know that he detuned first and second a little bit on the MR12 map to try to stop it from being as bad, you know what I mean? Only an MR12, 93 is not. But yeah, strap this thing is not bad. But I know without the strap, this thing would have been horrible, bro. Horrible. So, fun runs, man. I'm glad I got a chance to immediately test out Arya, man. I didn't think that was gonna happen, to be honest. I was hoping to be able to do it at you know, just obviously meeting up with some guys over in Austin. But I'm glad I had the opportunity to go ahead and do so now, so I'm grateful for that. But yeah, man, woo! She running nice, bruh. She running nice. But his bike is fast. It's fast. The BMWs, just, I don't know. Maybe I need to play around with the sprockets. Maybe if I can put a 41 tooth, I can get out about the same time. But I'm definitely not getting no ground on him at all. He pulled pretty good. You can see that. So hats off to him on that, man. But it was fun just getting out there and competing a little bit. So it is what it is. And don't pay attention to the cruise airfields and all that. You guys know that I'm riding with technically the wrong map kind of on here because of the whole rain mode thing and all that. So, and getting back to the whole Bren, or not the Bren thing, but the Woolich thing, you can't do quick shifter kill times right now either, so that's a bummer. You can only do hardness of the shifter, which, you know, it's not the same, obviously. So just gotta do what I can. Oh yeah, the airfields are nice. 12.7, 13 flat. Factory stock quick shifter is not terrible, man, but it could be better, obviously. It's rideable. She competing. I mean, Arya, I see you, girl. You out here competing. Shoot. Once I lighten this thing up a little bit, carbon fiber wheels, a couple different things, she gonna be ready, man. I'm trying to tell y'all boys. But this is more of a reason why it makes me feel like I should stay stock wheelbase now. If I can keep the wheel down like this with 93 and only have to really worry about wheelie control maps with MR12, I might just do that. To be honest with you, I might. But just in case, I'm gonna probably go ahead and order an arm while I'm gone, man. And I have it here. It's if I need it, I need it. If I don't, I don't. You know what I mean? Worst case, it's easy to sell if I decide not to. Everybody wants them and don't want to wait, 4 to 6 weeks or whatever. So it's all good. Yeah. My bad. Oh, my bad, y'all. Woohoo! She running. Arya is running, boy. But yeah, words can't describe how excited I am, man. I wish I could feel this for longer than what I'm about to feel it for, because 2 more days ain't enough time, man. It's not. But I just got to be grateful for what it is and the whole situation and everything. But that's gonna be it, guys, for this episode. Just want to talk to you a little bit about the whole Woolich stuff. I'm sure they'll get it ironed out. We'll get race tools and we'll be able to do a little bit more with the bike and get some more runs in and stuff. Hopefully I get some more content out in the Austin area the next couple days, and we'll go from there, y'all. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out Track Ready, check out Mobzilla, buy some Applebee's merch from him. I sure am. And you guys have a good one. Take it easy.